Hello everyone, welcome to another guest internet video. Today I'm going to talk to telecom companies. We have a lot of people who are setting up internet services in small communities, villages throughout the world, in places like Africa, Oceania, and they're very happy with the service using our small products. However, we also have telecom companies who are using our products to provide service for small communities as well. A lot of mobile phone companies choose our products because it's really cost effective for them. Okay, if you're a telecom company, you cannot afford to build 4G towers for every small community. So many small communities don't have any service. There's a minimum size of community that justifies building a 4G tower to provide the voice service and internet service for that community. And so if you have a community of a few hundred people, it's just not justified. You cannot justify that type of investment. It's way too expensive. However, a lot of telecom companies work with guest internet using products like this, the GIS R10, the GIS R40, to provide an internet service for communities using a satellite internet connection, because that is justifiable in terms of cost. It's a much lower cost than building a 4G tower. For example, you can provide a very good data service for a community for less than $10,000 investment in infrastructure, and you don't have to be on site managing the service. It's managed through the guest internet cloud, and the guest internet cloud can be integrated with the telecom company's back office systems. You can integrate it with billing systems, manage subscribers using your systems, and then manage via the guest internet cloud, manage the people who are using the service, subscribers. We also have pay-on-demand type services, which are very, very appropriate for smaller communities where people can't afford to take a monthly subscription, but can afford to purchase 1 hour of access, 12 hours of access, that type of thing. So we have various products. We start with smaller products. These products are for multiple satellite antennas. For example, this is the GIS R10. You can connect 2 Starlink antennas to this and share the bandwidth. It also has automatic failover if one connection fails. With this, you can get a data speed of 400 megabits per second, which is adequate for several hundred people in a community to connect simultaneously, providing that you give them a very low data speed. If you have a community of maybe 2,000 people, then you only will have maybe 200, 300, 400 people connecting at the same time. If you have a slightly larger community, we have the GIS R40. You can connect 4 Starlink antennas or 4 satellite services to this. Will give you a throughput up to about 800 megabits per second, and that's great for a community of a few thousand people. These are all communities that you cannot justify building a 4G tower because the payback isn't there. However, with guest internet products integrated with your back office systems, you can provide a great data service for the people. If they want voice, they have apps such as WhatsApp, which works over the data service, so they still get a voice service. Plus, you can sell your handsets to them, because if they want to use a service like WhatsApp, they're going to need a phone number, so they're going to have to buy a handset from you as well. So you're not only going to provide the internet service, the data service inside the community, you're also going to sell handsets into that community because they want your handsets to access voice services like WhatsApp. We have a lot of information about this. We even have a book that was written specifically for telecom companies, and that has a wealth of information that a telecom company can use to start providing data service in smaller communities. Please contact us. We'll be very happy to provide you with the information, and we can also provide a consulting service for those telecom companies that need some help and advice to start providing a data service into smaller communities. please contact us and we're there to help you. Well, thanks for watching and see you next time.